I have painted enough rooms in this house to to learn a thing or two. Pro tip I've learned is to load your brush. You gently tap it in the bottom. You want to get the bristles saturated with paint. You wipe the 4 sides. And then you have a fully loaded brush to do all your cut-ins. Another quick tip is to wrap your paint roller in some painter's tape to get all the lint off. Join me in transforming this raw space into Beacon's new sound studio, a place where creativity and purpose come to life.
We're covering about 60% of the wall with these homemade acoustic sound panels I'll show you how to make. In addition to wallpapering, we're going to level out this concrete, lay down some peel and stick laminate, and of course my favorite part, decorating.
Going to want to get it a little bit damp. Let's rock and roll, folks.
Skip the W method and roll the wall in 1 roller width sections, overlapping each pass by half. Work from the wet edge, rolling into the previous stroke while it's still wet. After 3 sections, do a layout, a light, smooth pass from top to bottom to eliminate roller marks. Up next, I'll tackle repairing and leveling the concrete floor and making those homemade acoustic panels.